Hi, welcome to Thuong Nguyen woodworking machine. Today we have these two machines. They just arrived from Taiwan and we just finished unpacking it. So I want to do a quick introduction to you about these two machines. This is a horizontal boring machine. So you put workpiece on this and we can rotate the spindle and it will drill horizontally. So this is a pretty simple machine. We have a simple panel control. We have these two components to hold the workpiece, and we have two drilling spindle. And these drilling spindle, they are 2 HP each. So the total is 4 HP for this machine. And this machine will use electricity of 380 volts and 50 hertz, 3 phases. Alright, so let's put this machine to work. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about woodworking or woodworking machine, please contact us and we'll give you more information for free. Thank you and see you next time. Bye bye.